Yes, we are here. We are back. 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 Yes, I'm glad that you're able to hear me. I hope I'm not too far. I think I was too far. All right. So hopefully now you can hear me. Hello, guys. It's new, stupid things that are happening here. Not new, but stupid things. So I haven't figured out the sound. That's why you might hear that the sound is coming from one side, which is bad. So I need to fix that. But because of that, I could not. Hey, talking about sound. I thought Maraja writing about sound. I could not do this video. I'm really sure video I ain't plan one at all. Guys, happy new year. Welcome back to Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. We are back. I go. But I said, no, we will laugh. We still laugh. We do all those funny things. Even if it's not funny, we'll laugh. Very local. It's like angofu. So every laugh that I'm doing, nothing getela sikuring wense at least nine. So mngachavi loko nhleka nizama ku no tizama ineshi because maskula before tizama yewesh guys yo it's so hot. It's 2022 guys, it's hot but it's 2022. Guys, welcome. You can see the guys kwami joining haleka Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani vitra mina Mandla Gingirikani kama shawa nikisongofu kwenu hina I said a land dragu kevla music. Mara there's people that actually pushed me. Kure Mandla we can get all of the music. Yeah, I did YouTube, you know. Thought about it a lot, you know. Who actually pushed me to do it. Even though there are some pockets you know, which is funny. Some musicians said, Mandla, go back. Mandla, go back, do what you were doing. It was nice, it was good. Even though I will do mamara, and then some people said, no, don't do that thing, man. Come on, you know. And I was like, maybe you're right. I shouldn't do those things. But you know, I think maybe financial. I don't know. So mini makeshift studio again until we can also afford Mashabela Studios SP podcast and chill. Yeah, kuna tendency kukuma kuban botala sibala ku expect ku Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani podcast and chill. No, you gave me podcast and chill. We're not doing podcast and chill here in Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. So because I want to send that message back Mandla Buya. But what I look on post swimana ka wall mina ka Facebook ba comment ako lava ka Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani want to back. Matitiba hinkwenu namkhensa swinene kwa mina hlohlotela kunzeni buya. Leswi ndla kula anishindlela mina honestly speaking, like I said before, I'm not doing YouTube for money. So honestly speaking, I'm doing it for you. So vele kuna bala ngataka banga stakele swo ndlaka haleno ngaba yo wetela ngofu. Kuna bala banga stakela. So swapo aftongon ku na vanhu va ngata rhandza swilo ku na vanhu ngata ka nga stake swilo. That's how life is. So we have to accept it and move on. And then xin'wana la ku la show ku I don't know if it's okay. Let's start with a happy new year. Happy new year, everybody. Happy new year. Welcome to 2022. It's a good year. Let me 2022. Hopefully, because the past year has been so hectic, guys. 2021, 2020, 2019. 2019. No, we went on lockdown on the 21st of March 2020 2020, yes, 21st March 2020 went on to a lockdown, hard lockdown, and then the first case here, Corona, South Africa, according to 5th March, which was my birthday, which was very interesting. 5th of March is my birthday. Guys, I hardly receive gifts, Mina. Do I give gifts? I do, but not. I don't know. I don't know if I buy people gifts. Maybe that's why I'm not receiving gifts, because you receive. If you give, you receive. So what you put out there is what you're gonna receive. So hopefully, I'm not gonna kunikela that mahata. That's the birthday. 5th of March is my birthday, so please look out for it. Mini wish a birthday, guys. I'm taking it up. I'm wishing the 5th of March. The birthday, I mean. So please, I hope you man are interested. So I should let you go. Hey, so but anyway, Nkanelo Gingirikani sungurele. Nkesiri munamngan anubla when I'm post that message kat wall, kat WhatsApp, kat Facebook. I couldn't put it out there because video lewa an ngai plan am ku endla shishwa. Mara ekutwa intuitively ni tweshi fanele ku ni endla hinkarolo because nto ingari ni na mafulufulu ya ku endla shishwa. Anta endla karongwan, ani plan ku endla karongwan mara unfortunately ni endla shishwa. So you can see there. And those who stayed on to the channel, even though we are posting show na Kenza on my corner. Anyway, so officially we're back on Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. Set laksuka se manje, set laksuka manje. You can see look at me join Helen. Bete engandu ko logo blabula. And me kuwa ni familia na nkari ngere session tikela yana ku kaninga endo it's a bad habit. I'm doing it again. Bad. Anyway, inshallah vlogation. Yeah. Ano vlogation ngokuma kusonde wa itwele la ka side drive one. Lungisa maga ya technique lokho la sound. Nibona into maraja up post maga sound. So maga sound is very challenging, guys. Mara na kenza kwa yeah, me lamte. Nigga queen, mga jala, inchila shuga ashkashu umele shinga shmisa, guys. Yeah. Me say no was nashlawa ku maybe kuswangan watsarini ku why guy into kuiba live in Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. It's impossible, you know, because nitala kunfeni ni endla shamina, and then besides joko endla shamina kuna project challenge ya network na bandwidth, especially ka YouTube, because YouTube is a different bull or a different animal. Look in the live here, YouTube itala ku ma quality ko ngari yo shoot mo bisel, so na start to shoot ayo na mo bisel no like mara quality ve iba poor, so sinam ngani bona magaku sinda coverage la ngakho ngabi strong enough to carry the live coverage. You see, it's not an easy one. I enjoy the platform on YouTube, so yeah, that's what they say. You know, never say never, because I was thinking, no, anyway, so we are back. Officially, we are back. I tell my book. Anyway, without any further ado, because I'm edit the music reviews. Music reviews. That's funny because the channel started on that note. I understand what they're trying to do. They want me to be like Podcast and Chill, but Podcast and Chill also has reviews. They talk about people. So how come mina lovely one cooking? You know? Well, I talk about music, which is quite interesting. I like talking about music. I don't like talking about people. I like talking about music. I like the music side of things, you know. The notation, the vocals, the beats, tempo, rhythm, melodies, you know, keys. I want to hear the drums. So it will be difficult when you have music, melody interviews, because kuna challenge yaku. Look, no melody interviews, the video trailer quicker. swi nga tekela vo 3-4 months because vanhu vo tala a va swi rhandzi ku ta ka Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani, and vanhu vo tala va swi rhandza ku ta ka Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani. But your artists that you guys want me to interview, most of them that I tried, I've said in the previous videos, or I've tried your Ben Mangani, San Glenn Chavala, Mr. Post, Shoma Josie. I tried to get Dr. Thomas Chauke. It was difficult to get them. You know? Maybe in Karwalo, I'll use YouTube and social networking and how, where are the people? Because people are online, people are on YouTube, people are watching videos on Facebook, you know, so it means people are online. Well, anyway, that's another thing, that's another debate for another day. I wanted to say, kuna maka cloud ka YouTube, chasing cloud, kuna la duma fast. Funny enough, I'm looking at YouTube and I'm duma, but it's challenge. Kuna difference ku muna endla ti video endla ku duma na kuwa a endla ku chicha kutisa ku chicha kumbe kuva to have an impact. You don't always have to bring a change because you can hardly have a change. Mara nga tisa impact yo kari loko khabla in music, any kind of topic you can tackle. Mina kuri maka impact, and I still want to go on the impact issue. That's why I wouldn't be out here chasing cloud, because like I'm sure I could chase that cloud. Some of them gave me very interesting answers. Posted recordings about what they said to me. And I would have been chasing cloud like that. That's chasing cloud. And then, but because I need into some ethics and context, ethics and context, because without context, there's no story. You need to have a context. But people just go without context, and then they ignore the ethics side of things. And then, you know, so without, you know, I'm not there for that, but we're not there to chase cloud. So that's why content me what I was wondering about because I'm not trying to chase clicks because out of order, because you can always be critical to people without being disrespectful. You can still be respectful while you are making your point. To put your point across without being disrespectful. That's a huge thing. It's a fine line, but it's a huge fine line. It's a difficult fine line. Fine line. So I'm not there for that. I'm not there to chase cloud. Whatever. I'm not here for that. Otherwise, I would have went on a ring with Casper in your vest. That's why I feel like, maybe we need a boxing match. I've proposed it before. What if we run a boxing match? I'm a pen and a pin my gun. Was this was a strategy, Makali. We missed the post na pin my gun. So kuna kungawa missed the post na Team Shiriman, you know. Hi guys, could be around. Anyway, I'm not there for that. But I'm just saying, you can be critical and hard on artists, but while you are also respectful, without being disrespectful. Not there to preach, but I'm just want to say, music. The next video is coming, guys. It's coming out now. Let me even take off my shirt for this one. I've seen videos. Oh, I haven't seen videos actually. Honestly speaking, I've been off YouTube. You know. Oh, so how do I do this? Take off this thing. I've been off YouTube. I haven't been following what's happening. What's been happening? You guys will tell me. But then I wanna do what I think loko hi ri laha ka Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani hi fanele ku swi endla. I'm taking off my shirt for the next video. Don't worry ni nge hlovuli bro. Ni vona nude yin'wana ya soul music hi trendala. The funny thing is tolo ka Facebook ni posting ku if loko lembe ra 2022 ro hela mehe ni nga posta nude, lembe ri ta va ri nga helangi kahle. So where do you put this thing? Because now start taxing our view, right? So let me find it here. Yeah. Posting ku logo ko hela lembe mina ni nga postanga nude. Look right, lembe ni nga postanga nude. Kuta lembe ta ri nga helangi kahle. So yes. Guys, you guys like my hairstyle? It's back, but I need to fix it, guys. I really need to fix it because I am holiday. Hey, must still let them see looking a shima no kaheva. Sisi atantleka la. Yes. Okay, like Ramina, Nikaduk X doors. Kuchele Klinyora. I'm testing it at all. Salute. Mungatiti mail. Watch the next video to see what we tackle first. 2022 kamuzika stonga ikana mta Nkanelo Wa Gingirikani Mandla Gingirikani ukamasha. I guess those mungatiti mail.